Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. And what we're going to do today is, I don't know if you remember, but a little while ago I made this mould from this Santa head that I'd made out of air dry clay and sprayed a few times with a gloss varnish to give it a bit of a sheen. If you want to see how I made the mould, then please take a look at the video and tap on this. And here's the mould. So what I'm actually going to be doing now is I'm going to be filling this with resin. Now, I was going to just do one colour, but first, before I try it, what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be... Oh, look, a bit fell in it. I'm going to be trying out the mould by using different coloured resins. So I'm going to just use a bit of a stick and put some in there, which is where the bobble to his hat is. And push that in. I don't know how well this is going to come out with all these multicolours, but we can wait and see. So that's the fur on his bobble. And then we've got fur around... Oh, look at that. I've got that everywhere. Then we've got fur around the top of his hat, which is here. Okay. I need to get that out. If not, he's going to have a white streak through the top of his hat, and I don't want that. I'm just going to put a little dab of blue in there for his eye. One there. And then I've mixed up a pink that I'm just going to put all over the top. Now, it might have been better just to have painted the insides of this with mica powder to give those different colours, but we will wait and see how it comes out. This has been curing now for probably about 4 days because I just haven't had a chance to get into my studio to demold it. So I'm going to demold it now. There we go. And that's how it's come out. I'm actually really pleased with that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a few more, then I'm going to put a little hook in the top, which I'll show you when I've made the others. And I'm going to either string them together and hang them on my tree, or hang them on my tree individually. But I am going to make quite a few more, and that's why I made quite a robust mould. But I'm going to use different techniques. So the next one I'm going to make is where I brush the mica on and then fill it with resin. So let's see how that goes. Today I'm going to carry on using my little Santa head mould that I made from this little air dry clay model that I created. Now, I'm not a model maker, but I am quite pleased with this. So this technique is using mica powder before you pour onto the actual mould, and then you paint the mica powder on. So what I'm going to start with is the white mica. Now, for some reason I don't have any Resin 8 white mica powder, which is unusual, because I do tend to like the Resin 8 mica powders. So what I'm doing now is I'm literally just brushing the mica powder onto where I want it to be after the mould has been demolded. Now, I'm not the most delicate of people, as you've probably gathered from my other videos, so I will make sure that I try and clean up as I go along, and that's why I'm using the white first, because I think, well, if I get the white anywhere, it's just going to really mix and blend in quite well with the other colours that I put on. And there we go. So what will happen now is I will cast that with just clear resin, and then hopefully that will pick up all those colours, and we will see them in the final cast. So these are the casts I've made so far with the resin mould that I made from the Santa's head that I made out of air dry clay, and I'm really pleased with how they come out. I've done 4 different types. So this is the one where I added the mica prior to putting it in, and put it in very carefully, and it's come out nice and shiny. This is the one where I brushed the mica with a little paintbrush onto the mould first in the areas that I wanted it, and then cast. And then before this dried, and I wish I'd done it with all of them, I got hold of the little bobble. I don't know if you can see, I turned it up, and it gives it just a little bit more of a 3D feel. This is a red one I cast, just using acrylic paint, because I wanted to see how that came out. This is one that I've used with using some larger mica flakes and some like powder gold, not mica, and it really is glittery and sparkly, although the camera's not picking it up. So I'm really pleased with those, and I think they will look absolutely great hanging on the Christmas tree. So I've put cords on them, and I shall put them around my Christmas tree. And I can't wait for this year's Christmas tree to go up. And I shall definitely be doing a video of all the things that I've made that have gone on my Christmas tree. So I hope you've enjoyed this. It's so easy to make your own mould, and it's so easy to cast in it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.